What is an automated casting tree? An automatic casting tree is a revolutionary tool for jewelry manufacturing. Traditionally, creating casting trees is a manual, time-consuming process. But with JewelsPrint, this changes dramatically. Using advanced algorithms, JewelsPrint analyzes design data and creates optimal casting trees, placing each piece with precision. This automation reduces the processing time from over an hour to under 4 minutes. JewelsPrint is compatible with all major 3D printing technologies, seamlessly integrating to generate optimized casting trees. Smart support structures are also automatically generated by JewelsPrint, ensuring perfect printability and reducing printing time. Key benefits of JewelsPrint include faster production times, significant cost savings, accessibility for all manufacturers, and the ability to create complex designs. JewelsPrint, Automatic Casting Tree Generator.